Hello, I'm Sandhi. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we are talking about tone Sandhi of 不. Okay, before we know the change, we just see 不 is the first tone. 波, 五, 不. Very good. So, because 不 is first tone, so 不 plus first tone, second tone, and the third tone, it will keep 不. Keep the original pronunciation 不. For example, we say 不吃, 不吃, first tone, keep it. Or second tone, 不玩, 不玩, or third tone, 不好, 不好. Keep first tone, 不, 不. So when 不 with the first tone, number 4, first tone, it will change to second tone. So we'll say 不. For example, 不 plus 要. Both first tone, right? 不 plus 要. 要 is first tone. So how do we say? We say 不要. No, we say 不要. Read that. 不要. 不要. Very good. And if 不 in this one, adjective plus 不 adjective. So in this situation, 不 should be read like light and short. For example, 好不好? 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 So let's put light and short. 好不好? 去不去? Okay? That is all about 不. Did you got it? If you liked today's video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 再见!